Alright, so now we're trying to get this hood latch on this Mercedes E320. So we bought a new hood latch. Looking at my son's car. Bought a new hood latch. Came, but it doesn't have the clip. Because there's a clip that you need to go in here. As you can see on the side, when you come around this way, you can see the clip inside there that you need. So this has to go in there. So I'm an RC hobbyist, so you can see my other videos. So I'm going to use this clip to get it in here and make sure that it fits. So I'm going to be able to push this clip in the middle here and lock it in, and that should be able to keep it from popping out, so I don't gotta buy a new one again. So let me use that with this, push it through, it should be good to go. So this is a clip that we use to hold on the bodies for RC cars. So we go with push it up. Alright. See, so right here, this is good. You can look from the side, get the view. See how that holds it in there in the groove? So this is not coming out. See that? It's not coming out. You should be good to go.